This video is for you if you are over 40, over 50, and you are ready for fabulous lashes with very little effort. Okay, let's go from this to this with no false lashes, and I'm going to show you my two favorite products. Minimal effort to get great lashes. I promise this is so easy. You're going to love it. The first product that I have for you for fantastic mature lashes with very little effort is a lash growth serum. If you've never used a lash growth serum, I want to just give you a heads up really quick. This one runs about $49. Now, if just for a second you went $49, this is a 3-month supply, and I think I have tried every single lash growth serum there is out on the market, and this one runs about half of some of the others. This one is phenomenal, and you will start seeing results in your lashes after about 4 to 6 weeks. All of the ones that I've ever tried before were either so expensive that it was cost prohibitive. They either stopped working or they made my eyes black. So I've road tested all of them, and this is my absolute favorite. It's so easy to use, and you can do it every single night. I have been using this one now for quite a while, that if I skip a day, it's okay because they're already in a great place. But once you start using a lash serum, you really can't stop because then it will stop working. So it's not one and done, but I will just say this. I absolutely love this. Again, I have tried every single one. The results are quick. It's very, very easy to use, and you are going to absolutely be blown away by the results in 4 to 6 weeks. I'm going to show you how to use this. I just want to say that if you have been following me here, if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook at Just Doing My Best or part of my Facebook group, I have been talking a lot about simplifying our skincare, simplifying our makeup, especially as I get older. I am not ready to give up wearing makeup. I'm not. I'm 55. I still want to wear makeup. It still gives me a little bit more confidence to have makeup on, but I do want to cut back. I do want to make life easier, and false eyelashes, I just don't want to go through the effort. I get false eyelashes if there's an event, but on a daily basis, that's just too many steps for me, and I just don't want to do it. This, I just apply at night, right before I go to bed. The next day, I'm putting makeup on. I'm going to put my mascara on. You'll see, and I have fabulous lashes, and that's all there is to it. This is just a clear liquid. You can't even see it. And all you do is take it out and you apply it right on the lash line. And I usually do one strip on each eye. If you want to go forward and back, you can. And now I'm done. That's it. And you just blink your eyes and it gets it from the top to the bottom. It's that easy. And you've just applied it for the day. Simple as that. Step 2 is a fantastic mascara. I am in love with this one. And this is a tubing mascara, drugstore mascara, super easy to find, but I will give you a link in the description below. And I was using another tubing mascara for a long time and loved it. But when I found this, it's half the price. Yes, please. So if you've never used a tubing mascara, what that means is when you apply mascara, it literally coats. It creates a tube on every single lash, and it just elongates your lashes and looks beautiful. You do not need any special remover, makeup remover, nothing to take this off. I just use my foaming face wash. I foam up my face. I rub my eyes. When I rinse it, it all just comes off. I'm telling you, easy on, easy off, and you're going to use 2 coats just like you would a regular mascara. best lashes of my entire life. 2 steps. It's so easy without them looking fake, without people coming up to me and saying, now you're wearing false lashes, right? So where do you get your false eyelashes? They know right away. These are my lashes, but better. 2 easy steps. I'm telling you, you can do this. I would love to know what you think of this. If this was helpful, I hope you'll like this video, share it with a friend, come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. I can't wait to see you in the next video where I try to make another makeup step even easier.